Hello everybody! For this video I'm going to be doing a little test of the Zoom F1 LP microphone and recorder bundle. So let me just tell you that right now you are listening to me through the Rode Video Micro that is on the top of my Sony A7 III, and this is just a regular microphone that I've been shooting all of the vlogs and talking stuff. So this was my audio setup, and recently I've decided to purchase a Zoom F1 recorder, because I've been doing some interview stuff for projects and sort of commercial work, and I've decided to pick this one up. And actually I think that this is a really nice recorder, but let's skip the chit chat and dive into the test. As I was saying, right now you're hearing me through the Rode Video Micro. And right now the recorder is at auto. The level of sensitivity of the F1 is on auto, so this is just the basic stuff. You should not be using auto like at any times, because auto, may be incorrect, maybe, hearing you incorrect, and so just never use auto. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing. This is in auto setting. This is a low minus setting, and I think that you cannot even hear me right now. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing. This is a low setting without minus or plus, just a low setting. 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing. This is the mid minus setting, which is a bit higher than low. Well, obviously, 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing. This is mid, just mid. Should be a tiny bit louder. 1 2 3 1 2 3 and testing. Mid plus sensitivity. 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing. And let me just say that mid plus is actually the sweet spot for me, for talking stuff in a really quiet environment, because my room is, pretty quiet. The computer is not on. The only sound that is here is just the clock ticking on the wall. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing, obviously. This is the high minus setting. I believe in the high settings you should be hearing me peaking, so I apologize for your ears. 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing. This is a high minus setting. This is just a high setting without a minus. I believe I should be quite a bit more louder right now. 1 2 3 1 2 3 and testing. This is the high plus setting. 1 2 3 1 2 3 and testing. And this is a high plus plus setting. And as you can see, I am peaking right now, so the LED is blinking, so it means I'm peaking. And this is the high plus plus. And right now we are back to auto setting, and again, just don't use auto. And so again, my sweet spot for the talking stuff is mid plus. But again, if you will pick up one of those things, of course, do your own tests in any kind of environment to determine which one is better. Let me just switch back to mid plus. And otherwise, it's been a great recorder. It can, you can lift this thing up, and you can swap with, you can just put any sort of Zoom capsules that are, compatible with H5 and H6, I believe. So like XY omnidirectional microphones, SSH6, which is a shotgun mic capsule, also compatible with this one. So really nice recorder for my needs. So I believe this is it for this very short video. Thank you again for watching. Hopefully this has been somewhat useful for you, and I will see you in the next video.